Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix unknown app blocked on Samsung. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, just go ahead over to settings. Okay, find the settings app, and once you're in here, go ahead and scroll all the way down and find security and privacy. Okay, so tap on it, and then in here we have, scroll down a bit, auto blocker. So what you got to do is just go ahead and disable it. Okay, it says here, keep your phone safe. We'll just disable it if you want to install the application. Okay, if not, just leave it on. All right, do it caution. So disable it, and it will ask you to enter your password or a fingerprint. Well, just go ahead and do so, and after that, install the app, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, the other option is by going to your app section, settings again. Go ahead and find apps. Okay, right here, tap on it. Now in here, go ahead and click on three dots at the top, and tap on special access. Okay, go ahead and find install unknown apps, tap on it, and enable the browser where it's coming from. Of course, it could be in your files or Chrome browser, Drive, wherever you want. Okay, or it could be from Telegram if you want to. All right, and that's basically it. That is how you fix a known app blocked on Samsung. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.